children. Today we are going to know about our second lesson, which is playing with magnets. Have you ever wondered that children, they used to say large magnet which attracts all of us. Have you ever think that you did get attached to the earth because it is a heavy magnet? We have to get attached to that now. How we are able to move away from the earth? Have you ever think that the planes or the vehicles which are going on the road do not get stuck to the earth? So let us think more about this magnetism in our coming lesson. So let us see what is a magnet, types and shapes of magnets and properties of magnets, how to prepare your own magnet. So first we are going to get into our lesson what is the story of magnet and where it has been discovered. So it is discovered in Greece. A shepherd who is by name Magnus, he used to make his sheep to take for grazing. There he kept his stick, which is with the iron rod on the edge of his stick. So he placed that stick in a heap of rocks so that he was unable to get his stick away from the rocks. He thought that what happened to my stick? Who is dragging my stick? At last, after taking out stick very hardly, he found that small pieces are getting stuck to the iron rod. What are those? Those are nothing but the magnets. So this is how in Greece the story of magnets started about thousands of years ago. So let us see that children, how are the magnets are to be found. Have you ever practiced this type of game at your home? So get some sand from outside. If you have any small magnet, dip that magnet in sand particles. You can see that the magnet edges are to be stuck out with iron fillings. Have you ever observed this, children? Let us do it in our home. So let us get into the lesson, types and shapes of magnet. Magnet is one of the material which attracts and repels. So what is meant by attraction and what is meant by repulsion? Attract means it attracts the materials which are made with iron. So magnet can attract the particles which are made with iron. Is it not possible to have an attraction of chalkpiece with a magnet? I say no, because what is the material made of chalkpiece with? So have you ever thought that? So let us play a game about the magnet. So take a magnet, children, at least make it to get stuck with iron fillings one or two other, or take 2 or 3 safety pins, like to join them one by one, so that you can see they are being stuck to the magnet like that only. After taking out also, you can see that magnetism stays in that iron pins for a long time. Have you ever seen a pin holder which is to be taken or to be used in offices? So which makes the pins to get stuck on the top of the pin holder. So that makes the pins not to get scattered over the pin holder. So they'll be get stuck to the magnet, so which are made with iron. So let us see that, children, how many types and shapes of magnets. So magnets are of two types, artificial magnets and natural magnets. Natural magnets are less with magnetism, whereas electromagnets, that is artificial magnets, which are used in our different electrical appliances, are with heavy power. So we can see that different kinds of properties of magnets in our lesson. Let us know that what are the different properties of magnet. As if we have discussed that attraction, repulsion are the main properties of magnet. Along with that, magnets are used to show the directions also. So what are those materials which are used to show directions with the help of magnets? Have you ever seen an instrument called magnetic compass? Yes, which is used by the people, those who have got stuck in areas which are unknown to them. We can see these type of instruments in our airways, waterways, and with the people, those who are working in army. So why do they use this magnetic compass? Magnetic compass is one of the instrument which is used or which works with a magnetized needle along with its magnetic property to show the directions in an unknown place. So this is how we can make use of the magnetic property in showing directions. So and one more thing, one more property of the magnet is nothing but magnetic induction. What is magnetic induction? So magnetic induction is nothing but the property where a magnetic material acts like a magnet by being with magnet for a long time. So if you place a magnet along with a safety pin, even the safety pin also works like a magnet after being with magnet for a long time. So let us do this at your home and check out, does the magnet possess such types of properties or not. So let us see the last and final thing, children, how to prepare your own magnet. Before getting into the topic, I just want to give you a brief introduction about what is the magnet, what is the magnet contains actually, and telling more about magnet. So every magnet contains two types of edges which are said to be poles. So the edges of magnet are called as poles. What are they called as, children? They are called as poles. And the pole which is aligned or which is showing to the north direction is said to be north pole, and the pole which is aligned to south direction is said to be south pole. So how many poles does a magnet contains, children? Those are two poles. And what are they? They are north pole and south pole. And these type of magnets are said to be bar magnets. So which are looking in rectangular shape. And as we have discussed that the attraction of magnet will be more near the poles when compared to the middle part of the magnet. So as if I told you to make an experiment with the sand particles. So if you dip in sand the magnet, you can see that in the or near the poles, you can see more particles are getting attracted into the magnet. So this shows that the poles of magnet possess more attraction when compared to the middle part of the magnet. So coming to that, how many types and shapes? We have told that this is horseshoe magnet and this is ring magnet. As if we have seen, this is the bar magnet. So we have seen three shapes of magnets here. I am telling more about the magnet. The attractive property of the magnet or the lines which are to be aligned around the magnet are said to be magnetic lines of force. And the field which is around the magnet which have the attraction is said to be magnetic field. This is how the magnet works with the help of two poles, and the around the place where the attraction of magnet goes along is said to be magnetic field, and the lines which are surrounded or around the magnet are said to be magnetic lines of force. And you can see in the way the attraction takes place. And we have seen here different shapes of magnets which are said to be horseshoe magnet as well as ring magnet. These magnets are to be used in making of different articles like toys, playing games, so on different kinds of things. Even the electrical appliances make use of magnets, and that type of magnetism is called as electromagnetism. So these electromagnets are more powerful when compared to the natural magnets. So the natural magnet is to be stated as lodestone. What is a natural magnet called as, children? It is nothing but lodestone. So this is what, children, we have seen in our lesson. What is a magnet? Types and shapes of magnet and properties of magnet, as if we have discussed that attraction, repulsion, direction, induction. And how many poles does magnet contains? Those are two poles, north pole, south pole. Where the attraction will be more for a magnet, children? It's nothing but the poles. The end of the magnets are called as poles. So the poles contain more attraction when compared to the center. And what is the area around the magnet is called as? It is said to be magnetic field. And the lines which are surrounded by the magnet are said to be magnetic lines of force. I think it is clear to you, children. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me.